Hi friends, welcome to Image Competitions. Friends, in this video, we are talking about the topic adjective. Okay, adjective. Adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun and it reveals a feature of a noun. In other words, an adjective says something extra about a noun. Okay, however, we use adjectives before nouns. Okay, before nouns. For example, she is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. Friends, beautify, beauty, beautiful, beautifully, beautify, verb, beauty, noun, beautiful, adjective, beautifully, adverb. Okay, in this sentence, God is noun as well. Beautiful is adjective because beautiful is used before the noun God. So beautiful is adjective. Okay, as well. Another sentence. She is a quiet beauty. In this sentence, beauty is noun as well. Quiet is adjective because quiet is used before the noun beauty. So quiet is adjective. Okay, as well. Die, death, dead, deadly. Die, verb. Death, noun. Dead, adjective. Deadly, adverb. Okay. I saw a dead body. I saw a dead body. In this sentence, body is noun. Dead is adjective because dead is used before the noun body. So dead is adjective. Okay, as well. His death. His death. Here, death is noun. As well, his is adjective. Possessive adjective. Okay, as well. Happiness, happy, happily. Okay, happily. Happiness, happiness noun. Happy adjective. Happily adverb. Okay, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday is noun. Happy is adjective. Commercial bank. Commercial bank. Bank is noun. Commercial is adjective. Okay, interesting story. Story is noun. Interesting is adjective. Two books. Two books. Books is noun. Two is adjective. White shirt. White shirt. Shirt is noun. White is adjective. Okay, so adjectives are used before nouns. Okay, however, there are a lot of similar adjectives in English, like these adjectives. So, adjectives are divided into 11 types depending on their characteristics. Okay, let's get to know them. Okay, friends, kinds of adjective. There are 11 types of adjectives in English. First one, adjective of quality: good, bad, red, black, tall, short, beautiful, ugly, etc. Next, adjective of quantity: some, any, no, little, much, all, whole, enough, sufficient, none, most, etc. Okay. Next, adjective of number: 1, 2, 3, etc. First, second, third, next, last, etc. Many, few, various, some, sufficient, most, whole, enough, several, etc. Next, proper adjective: Indian, American, Chinese, Japanese, Nepalese, Russian, etc. Next, possessive adjective: my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Next, demonstrative adjective: this, that, these, those. Okay. Next, distributive adjective: each, either, neither, every. Okay. Next, interrogative adjective: what, which, whose. Next, emphasizing adjective or emphatic adjective: own, very. Next, exclamatory adjective: what. Next, participle adjective: running, walking, swimming, etc. Written, broken, behaved, etc. Okay. These are all types of adjectives. Okay. Friends, now let us learn about all these adjectives. Okay. Okay. First one, adjectives of quality. Friends, these adjectives denote the size, shape, color, quality, condition of a person or thing. For example, Aman is a tall boy. In this sentence, boy is noun, tall is adjective. As well, another sentence, he is an intelligent boy. In this sentence, boy is noun, intelligent is adjective. As well, another sentence, I write with an old pen. In this sentence, pen is noun, old is adjective. Okay. If we want to find the adjective of quality, we get answer the question of what kind. Okay. For example, what kind of boy? Tall boy. What kind of boy? Intelligent boy. What kind of pen? Old pen. Okay. Next, adjective of quantity. Okay, next adjectives of quantity. Quantity means a certain amount or number. Friends, some, few, little, much, many, sufficient, enough, adequate. These adjectives denote quantity. Okay, for example, Mohan has enough money. In this sentence, money is noun, enough is adjective. Okay, quantity as well. He has little patience. In this sentence, patience is noun, little is adjective. Okay, adjective, quantity. Okay, as well. Another sentence, Sweta drank much milk. Much milk. In this sentence, milk is noun, much is adjective. Okay, quantity. Friends, enough, little, much. These adjectives denote quantity. Okay, friends, if we want to find the adjective of quantity, we get answer the question. How much? Okay, how much? For example, how much money? Enough money. How much patience? Little patience. How much milk? Much milk. Okay, enough, little, much. These adjectives denote quantity. Okay, next, adjective of number. Okay, next, adjectives of number. Friends, adjectives of number are two types. First one, definite adjectives of number. Second one, indefinite adjectives of number. Indefinite adjectives of number. Friends, definite means sure about something. As well, definite number means we can count the number. Okay, we can count the number. As well, indefinite means not sure about something. As well, indefinite number means we cannot count the number. Okay, friends, different adjectives of number are two types. First one, cardinal numbers. Second one, ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers. Okay, cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are cardinal numbers. Okay, next, ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers denote order. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, last. Okay, these numbers denote order. For example, I have four sons. Friends, in this sentence, sons is noun, four is adjective, definite number. Okay. Next, second one. Monday is the second day of the week. Monday is the second day of the week. In this sentence, day is noun, second is adjective. Okay, definite number. As well, another sentence. Most boys like to play football. Friends, in this sentence, boys is noun, most is adjective. Okay, adjective, indefinite number. Okay, as well, many boys are absent. Okay, in this sentence, boys is noun, as well, many is adjective. Okay, indefinite number. Friends, if you want to find the adjectives of number, we get answer the question. How many are of what order? For example, how many sons? Four sons. Okay. Next, of what order? Okay, order. Second. Okay, second. As well, how many boys? How many boys? Most boys. As well, how many boys? Many boys. Okay, these are adjectives of number. Okay. Next, okay, next, proper adjectives. Friends, proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Okay, proper nouns. For example, India. India is proper noun. Indian, proper adjective. Okay, Indian. Polity. Polity is noun. Indian is adjective, proper adjective. As well, Switzerland. Switzerland is proper noun. Swiss is proper adjective. Okay, proper adjective. Swiss bank. Bank is noun. Swiss is adjective, proper adjective. As well, China is proper noun. Chinese is proper adjective. Chinese food is noun. Chinese is adjective, proper adjective. As well, France is proper noun. French is adjective, proper adjective. French. Revolution is noun. French is adjective, proper adjective. Okay. As well, Nepal, Nepalese, Portugal, Portuguese, Holland, Dutch, Russia, Russian, Africa, African. Okay, these are proper adjectives. Okay, friends, proper nouns and proper adjectives starts with capital letter. Okay, I, S, S, C, C, F, F. These are capital letters. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. Possessive adjectives. Friends, my, our, your, his, her, its, their. These are possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives denote possession or ownership. For example, this is my book. This is my book. Okay, possession. In this sentence, book is noun, my is adjective, possessive adjective as well. These are your books. These are your books. In this sentence, book is noun, your is adjective, possessive adjective as well. This is our college. This is our college. Okay, possession. In this sentence, college is noun, our is adjective, possessive adjective. Okay, possessive adjectives denote possession. Okay, as well. Friends, a noun must be used after possessive adjective. My book, adjective, noun. Your books, adjective, noun. Our college, adjective, college. Okay, a noun must be used after possessive adjective. Okay, next. Okay, next, demonstrative adjectives. Friends, this, these, that, those. These four are demonstrative adjectives. This and these two adjectives denote nearby things, nearby objects. This is singular, these plural. As well, that and those. These two adjectives denote distant things, distant objects. That is singular, those plural. For example, this book is mine. This book is mine. In this sentence, book is noun. This is adjective, demonstrative adjective as well. This is my book. This is my book. In this sentence, this is pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. This is as well. These books are reverse. These books are reverse. In this sentence, books is noun. This is adjective, demonstrative adjective as well. These are your books. These are your books. In this sentence, this is pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. These are, okay, as well. That pen is his. That pen is his. In this sentence, pen is noun, so that is adjective, demonstrative adjective as well. That is his pen. That is his pen. In this sentence, that is pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. That is, okay, as well. Those pens are hers. Those pens are hers. In this sentence, pens is noun, those is adjective, demonstrative adjective as well. Those are her pens. Those are her pens. In this sentence, those is pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. Okay, friends, difference should note between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Okay, next. Okay, next, distributive adjectives. Friends, each, either, neither, every. These are distributive adjectives. We use these adjectives to separate one from a group. For example, each boy has a book. Each boy has a book. Friends, we use each in the sense of every for two or more than two. Okay? Each boy has a book means every boy has a book. Okay? As well, each of the boys has a book. In this sentence, each is pronoun, each of plural noun. Okay, so each is pronoun. In this sentence, each is adjective, boy is noun, because we use adjectives before nouns. Okay, boy is noun, each is adjective. Okay, as well, either book is yours. Either book is yours. Friends, we use either in the sense of one of the two. Okay, one of the two. Either book is yours means either this book or that book is yours. Okay, either means one of the two. Okay, one of the two books is yours. Okay, as well. Either of the books is yours. Okay, in this sentence, either is pronoun, either of plural. So either is pronoun. Okay, as well. Neither party won the game. Neither party won the game. Friends, we use neither in the sense of not one of the two. Okay, not one of the two. Neither party won the game means neither this party nor that party won the game. Okay, neither this party nor that party won the game. Okay, neither means not one of the two. Okay, as well. Neither of the parties won the game. Okay, in this sentence, neither is pronoun. Okay, in this sentence, neither is adjective, party is noun. Okay, as well in this sentence, book is noun, neither is adjective. Okay, as well another sentence, every boy was present. Every boy was present. Okay, in this sentence, boy is noun, every is adjective. Okay, friends, every is used only adjective. Okay, not pronoun. Okay, next. Okay, next interrogative adjectives. Friends, which, whose, what. These three are interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask questions. For example, which book is yours? Which book is yours? In this sentence, book is noun, as well which is adjective, interrogative adjective. Okay, as well which is your book. Which is your book? In this sentence, which is pronoun, interrogative pronoun. As well, in this sentence, which is adjective. Book is noun, which is adjective. As well, whose book is this? Whose book is this? In this sentence, book is noun, whose is adjective, interrogative adjective. As well, whose is this book? Whose is this book? In this sentence, whose is pronoun, interrogative pronoun. In this sentence, whose is adjective, book is noun, whose is adjective as well. What book do you want to read? What book do you want to read? In this sentence, book is noun, what is adjective, interrogative adjective, because we use adjectives before nouns. Okay, as well. What do you want? What do you want? In this sentence, what is pronoun, interrogative pronoun. Okay, friends, difference should note between interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. Okay, next. Okay, next, emphasizing adjectives. Friends, emphasize means insist on, tell more. Okay, one, very are called emphasizing adjectives. One and very are used before nouns to emphasize the nouns. Okay, for example, I was insulted at my own place. I was insulted at my own place. My own place. Place is noun. Own is adjective, emphasizing adjective, at my own place. Okay, as well. I saw this very book. I saw this very book. Okay, book is noun, very is adjective, emphasizing adjective. Okay, next. Okay, next, exclamatory adjective. Friends, what is called exclamatory adjective? Because what is used in the sense of surprise. Okay, for example, what, nonsense, exclamation mark. In this sentence, nonsense noun, what is adjective, because what is used before the noun nonsense. Okay, so what is adjective as well. What you have done it. In the sentence, what is pronoun, exclamatory pronoun. Okay, what you. Okay, as well. What an idea, exclamation mark. In the sentence, idea is noun, what is adjective, exclamatory adjective. Okay, what an ugly girl, what a beautiful. Okay, surprise. Okay, next. Okay. Next, participle adjectives. Friends, participle adjectives are two types. First one, present participle adjectives. Second one, past participle adjectives. Okay. First one, present participle adjectives. Present participle adjectives. Friends, present participle adjectives means in the form of the verb. Driving, swimming, washing, running, walking, writing, etc. For example, a camel is running. I saw a running camel. Friends, first sentence, a camel is running. A camel is running now. Okay? Present continuous tense. Running is verb. As well, I saw a running camel. In this sentence, camel is a noun, running is adjective. Okay? As well, she is dancing. She is dancing. Her hobby is dancing. She is my dancing partner. Friends, first sentence, she is dancing. She is dancing now. So, dancing is verb. Present continuous tense. Dancing is verb. As well, her hobby is dancing. Her hobby is dancing. Means dancing is her hobby. Okay? Dancing is noun. That means gerund. Okay? Dancing is gerund. Third one, she is my dancing partner. In this sentence, partner is noun, dancing is adjective. Okay? Noun, adjective. Okay? Verb, gerund, adjective. Okay? As well, drinking water. Water noun, drinking adjective. Swimming pool. Pool is noun, swimming is adjective. Washing machine. Machine is noun, washing is adjective. Okay? Next is past participle adjectives. Okay, next is second one, past participle adjectives. Past participle adjectives. Friends, past participle adjectives means third form of the verb. For example, a well behaved student. In this sentence, student is noun, behaved is adjective. Behaved. Okay, third form of the verb. As well, broken chair. Chair is noun, broken is adjective. Okay? As well, complicated situation. In this sentence, situation is noun, complicated is adjective, third form of the verb. Break, broke, broken. Complicate, complicated, complicated. Okay? Okay friends, thank you for watching.